Hello, my little crafties. How you all are doing? I hope you are doing well. So today I am making Kawaii Sticker Book. I have been getting requests for this video for so long, but I just couldn't make it. So now it's here. I hope you like the video. So yes, I have already drawn the shapes already with pencil, and then I'm making it with sketch pen, and I'm using sketch pens and brush pens from Dom's. You can use of any brand, and I'm also coloring the background of these stickers. You can color the background if you wish, or just do not. Coloring the background here, making it look like sea and then upper side clouds. And also let me know in the comment section that you like coloring or drawing more. I mean, which one you prefer doing, coloring or drawing. I think I prefer coloring more. It's kind of my plus side, and I need to learn drawing more. Like, I need to improve my drawing skills. They are like okay kind of, but I really need to improve it and work on it on a regular basis. So yes, I think the background coloring improved the stickers look a lot, because it was looking like empty kind of without the background colors, all white, you know. And here are some background papers for the sticker book. You can add your own designs also to it. So this is all the stickers I have made. Here it is, and now I'm going to stick it into a book. So I'm using a thin kind of paper to just stick the pages first, and then I'll stick it into the purple thick paper. And yes, here it is. So pretty and cute, isn't it? I loved it how it just came out. I mean, just so colorful and pretty. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos and comment your suggestions also. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned and take care, my little crafties.